Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today I have a Chateau padlock. It's a 50mm laminated steel padlock, commonly used on storage lockers. It was a 2-pack of locks that I had bought off of a site called Mercury. This one is also a 50mm laminated steel padlock, labeled public storage. It's made in Germany, and we have an ABIS key. I don't know how well you can see that. There you go. So I'm pretty sure that this one says public storage at the top, where this one says Chateau. Pretty sure this is a 41, an ABIS 41, so 4150. But we're going to look at this one today. It's got the key bitting, super high lifts. But I figured we could see what it would take to get into it. Okay, now that it's in the vise, we're going to try to go with a bottom of keyway tension and a Moki flat short. So we'll go with one. One's binding. All right, that's set. 2, nothing. Get under 3. Back. Feels good. Feels good. 4. And we got to try to get under to 5, which the top of keyway does make that more, or the bottom of keyway does make it more difficult. I think I got that set. Let's go 1 counter rotation. All right. We'll go 2. Also giving, there we go. So there we go. That's the lock. Okay, now that we've got that picked open, we can see that you can shim the lock. It is susceptible to shimming. No ball bearings in there. See the company name there at the top. Here on the key, we can see that we have near max lifts. Let's zoom in a little on that. Near max lifts in 1, 2, and 3. Some type of minish lift in 4, and then a medium higher lift in 5. So based off of the counter rotation that we were getting on some of the pins, I can tell that there are spools in here. Odds are it's probably very similar, if not the same, to the ABIS 41 core cylinder, but with the Chateau brand. So we'll get this one picked on a different video. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good one.